and welcome back to another one of my videos. I'm super excited that I was able to film this really pretty glitter smoky eye like Valentine's Day makeup look for you. If you want to see how I achieved this look, then keep on watching, and if you have any questions, definitely feel free to leave them in the comment section below. So let's get right into this video. Alright guys, so I already did my eyebrows off camera. Now I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face with the Mario Badescu spray. Now that my face is sprayed, I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyelids with this Maybelline concealer. Now I'm going to use my Real Techniques brush to go ahead and blend out this concealer on my eyelids. This concealer will serve as a base for our eyeshadow. To set this concealer, I will be using the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. I'm gonna go ahead and just brush off the excess powder with this powder brush from Real Techniques. The first palette we're gonna be dipping into is the Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm palette. I'm gonna start off using the shade Mugshot in my crease, and I'm just using a blending brush to go inside of my crease. Mugshot on my crease, I am going to go ahead and use the shade Framed, and I am going to deepen or darken my crease with this, and I'm going to use that same blending brush to do so. The last shade I'll be using out of this palette is the shade Secret. I'm going to apply Secret in my outer corner, and I'm going to really pack this shade on. And I'm just focusing this shade in my outer corner, guys. So the next eyeshadow palette I'll be going in with is the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette, and I'll be using the shade Chaser. And I'll be taking this lighter shade just to pack it into my eyelid, and I'm just going to use a flat packer brush to lay that on there. Now if you don't have this palette, you can use any light eyeshadow. You have to pack this color on there. Now that I have that eyeshadow applied, next we're going to be using our glitter. Now I'm going to be using a red glitter. This glitter here, I just got this from Michael's. I'm not sure if it's eye friendly, but these glitters never bother my eyes, so just do this at your own risk. Now to make the glitter stick, I will be going in with some eyelash glue with a flat angle brush, and I'm just going to brush this all over where I laid the eyeshadow on my eyelid. Then I'm going to go in with the flat packer brush and just lay the glitter onto my eyelid. Now that the glitter is applied, I'm going to go back into that Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm palette, and I'm going to dip back into that shade Mugshot and go above my crease. I will be going in with Secret, and I'm going to reapply this to my outer corner to blend that glitter in. Now this glitter can get a little bit messy, so make sure you're not doing your makeup in your good clothes. I'm going to take a makeup remover wipe and remove all the fallout, all the glitter fallout. For my under eyes, I will be using this glitter eyeliner pencil that I got in my BoxyCharm. I believe this was either this had to be, I believe, December's or November's BoxyCharm. So yeah, I'll be using this eyeliner under my eyes. For the face, I will be going in with my favorite foundation, the NARS Radiant Glow Foundation. Now I am going to go in with the LA Girl Concealer in the shade Warm Honey. And I'm going to apply this under my eyes. Now to set my under eyes, I will be using that same Laura Mercier setting powder. Now while my under eyes are baking, I am going to be applying a pair of eyelashes. You can use any pair of eyelashes you have. Now that I have my eyelashes on, I'm just gonna go and use a mascara. Ouch. I'm just gonna go ahead and use a mascara and blend my real eyelashes in with the false ones. Be careful not to poke yourself in the eye. Next, we're gonna go ahead and brush off the powder. Next step, I'm going to go ahead and contour my face. Now guys, for highlight, I will be using the classic Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. And I will be using the shade Bronze. Can we just take a moment to see how beautiful this is? Oh my gosh. For setting spray, I'm going to use the Makeup Forever setting spray. For lips, I'm not going to do anything too extra. I'm just going to be going in with the Wet n Wild 603A eyeliner pencil, and I'm just going to line my lips. I'm going to line my lips and apply a regular gloss. Now this next step is completely optional, but I like to apply mascara to my bottom lashes. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. Now for our absolute last step, I will be going into that Urban Decay Naked Heat palette one more time. And I'm going to go back in with the shade Chaser. And I'm going to apply that to my inner corner. Now this step is also optional. Alright guys, so that completes this really pretty smoky glitter Valentine's Day makeup look. If you'd like to see other makeup looks for Valentine's Day, I can definitely create those and give you options to choose from. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on all my social medias.